Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing trade ideas. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a service or a website that helps you with your trading. So as you can see, we have it here on Trustpilot, and they're rated very bad or very poorly of 2.4 out of 5 stars with 30 reviews. So let's see some reviews here. Honestly, working with Lean's Felders was a breath of fresh air. Quick replies, no stress at all, getting blah 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 blah. They really made everything easy. However, she rated it 1 star. Oh, honestly, blah blah blah. These are the same. Maybe this is just a bot commenting. High risk without cluster bind help. Ample Edges was immediately contacted to solve problem after the mailed request didn't work. They are indeed liars. Please run from them. It's a scam. So this raises a lot of red flags, since why are there bots or why are there people commenting the same thing on their page? This raises a lot of red flags. It seems to be very shady. This person wrote an entire paragraph. They knew exactly how to manipulate me. I was going to purchase the service and a lot more. So please refrain from using this this website, since it is very shady and it's not very transparent, and they pay bots or people to comment on their Trustpilot. So yeah, that is basically it. Stay away from this service. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.